In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to connect Venmo to Shopify seamlessly, making your store accessible to those who prefer this popular payment app. The process of connecting Venmo to Shopify is intertwined with setting up PayPal, as Venmo is a subsidiary of PayPal and is automatically enabled when you have PayPal checkout activated. Let's start off by navigating to your Shopify payment settings. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Shopify admin page. Once you are logged in, proceed to the bottom left corner of the screen, and here you will find a section called Settings, which you need to click on. Among the options that unfold, you will see Payments. Go ahead and select this to move to the next step. Now that you're on the Payments page, it's time to activate PayPal. Here is where our Venmo connection comes into the equation. Among the multiple options that are shown, locate PayPal. It could either be in an activate state, or it may require you to complete setup if you initiated the process earlier but did not finish. Simply click on this option and follow the on-screen instructions that come up next. These instructions will guide you to log into your existing PayPal account or set up a new one. Rest assured, setting up a new PayPal account is a breeze, and the on-screen instructions will guide you through the process effortlessly. Remember, if you're a U.S. merchant, Venmo is automatically activated as a payment method once you have PayPal checkout activated, making it a convenient and efficient alternative for your customers. Following these steps, once PayPal is completely set up, Venmo should appear as a payment option on your checkout page for eligible customers. This happens without any additional setup from your side, making it a hassle-free addition to your checkout process. There's one last point to check though, making sure Venmo is a viable option. This part is painless. Simply go back to the same payments page, find PayPal again, and look at the settings for the accelerated checkout options. This will confirm whether Venmo is included as a payment mode, ensuring that you've completed setting up the connection between Venmo and Shopify successfully. By ensuring these steps are correctly followed, you're not only enriching your Shopify experience, but also extending the flexibility of payments to your customers, potentially leading to more conversions. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to connect Venmo to Shopify. Isn't that straightforward? Yes, it indeed is, and now you're ready to tap into a wider customer base that prefers using Venmo for their